Hello everyone. Power plant engineering. Important multiple choice questions with answers. First question. The mixture of water and steam coming out from the radiant evaporator enter the dash tubes. Convective evaporator. Convective evaporator is the correct answer. Second question. The hot flue gases then passes through the dash where the air required for combustion is preheated. Air preheater is the correct answer. Air preheater is the correct answer. Third question. A dash is an apparatus in which nuclear fission is produced is the form of controlled self-sustaining chain reaction. Nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is the process of combining or fusing two lighter nuclei into the stable and heavier nuclide. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the correct answer. A dash is a small reservoir or tank in which the water level rises or falls to reduce the pressure swings so that they are not transmitted in full to the closed circuit. Such tank is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is the cheapest source of energy because it exists as the free gift of nature. Water. Water is the correct answer. Next question. There is no dash disposal problem as in the as in the case of thermal power plant. Ash is the correct answer. Next question. The concept of ocean thermal energy conversion is based on the utilization of dash difference between the heat source and the sink in a heat engine to generate power. Temperature is the correct answer. Next question. Dash are provided for cleaning and inspection of the boiler. Inspection doors. Inspection doors is the correct answer. Inspection doors are provided for cleaning and inspection of the boilers. Steam is taken from the steam space of the drum through a tube to the dash. It receives additional heat. Superheater is the correct answer. Steam is taken from the steam space of the drum through a tube to the space it receives additional heat. Superheater is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is defined as the difference between absolute gas pressure at any point in a gas flow passage and the ambient atmospheric pressure. Dot is the correct answer. Next question. There are dash processes in the Rankine cycle, each changing the state of the working fluid. Four processes is the correct answer. There are four processes in the Rankine cycle, each changing the state of the working fluid. The nuclear fuel which is present in commercial use in dash. Uranium. Uranium is the correct answer. The cost for a reliable silent energy converter with a no moving part. The transfer of heat to electrical power has led engineers to reconsider a set of phenomena called the dash. Thermoelectric effects. Thermoelectric effects is the correct answer. Check the description box for more questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, Chrome Tech. Next video will see another important multiple choice question as well as theory questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, Chrome Tech.